ditong nabili na Dentist Plus White. Perfect gum and teeth protection premium. So, toothpaste na whitening siya with whitening treatment. So, kung gusto nating magpaputi, try tayo ng mga whitening na toothpaste. So, ito ay nasa 300 plus. So, for sure, effective to. Nakalagay dito sa kanyang packaging, quick whitens teeth in 2 weeks. Effective, visible, and long-lasting. Ito yung premium and natural white intensive whitening treatment. Quick whitens teeth in 2 weeks. Effective, visible, and long-lasting. So, safe, new technology with dentist, replenishing white nano hydro sayapatay. Yan. So, order na kayo nito. Try nyo na din itong Dentist Plus White. So, ang paggamit lang nito, brush twice daily for white teeth, healthy gums, and fresh breath. Order na!